just right. Teacher says, come everyone, plant a tree, let's have some fun. Little hands dig in the ground, greenest smiles all around. We plant small trees side by side, with love and care and village pride. Water them and watch them grow, healthy earth will surely glow. Plant a tree, plant a dream, make our village fresh and clean. Tiny roots will grow up high, touching clouds up in the sky. Plant a tree, yes we can, little hearts with a big green plan. After school we run back home, across the fields we love to roam. Mama, Papa, come and see, let's plant trees for you and me.